Welcome to Cindy's Creative Inspiration Videos. I'm Cindy from StampingScrapping.com. This video will spotlight Mcgill Paper Blossom Punches, the Hardy Air Dry Clay, Zip Dry Paper Glue, Copics, Tim Holtz Vintage Shabby Papers, and Spellbinders Beaded Circles, along with my new matching stamps. Here's the card I created, and I want to show you how easy and fun this is. First thing you need is the Mcgill molding mat. Also the Mcgill toolkit, which has all your needed tools to make your florals. I have chosen the hydrangea flower for my card, so you need just 2 punches. The mini petals and the birch leaf punch. These punches are very easy to punch and use. Just simply place your paper in there, punch, and you have your cute little leaf. I've used for the center of my flower the Hardy Air Dry molding clay for the center. This is an air dry clay. It's white, but you can paint this with an alcohol ink, the color of your flower, or green if you wish. Okay, let's get started. You take your petals that you've punched onto your molding mat and find the center of your petal, and using Copic marker, and the edge with the brush is where the little gray line is, find the center of your flower and put your little dot into the center. And do that for all of your florals. The next thing you want to do is find your 5mm stylus. And so this is called molding your flower, and you simply go in circles. And as you go in circles, it softens the cardstock, and I'm using cardstock from Coordinations, so it's a little bit thicker cardstock, but that is molding your flowers. And that is what gives you this shape right here. Now you repeat that over and over till you have enough blossoms, and to make your leaf, you take your number 8 stylus tool, and again, you're going to mold by pressing down into the center, and it softens the fibers in the paper. And then using the number 1, you make your veins in your flower. And that is how you create your flower. Now, to put my flower together, I used the zip dry paper glue, put it onto my center, and then added each of my florals, starting in the center and working down. Now, to do this, I'm going to just put a little bit in the center of this flower here, and add one of my flowers here. And then I'm going to do the same thing to this one. And of course the tip is clogged. This is a very quick drying paper glue, so I love it because it's fun to work with. Now my stamps that I'm using here, this is called the new ones from Spellbinders, and it's called Beaded Circles. And this is the stamp set. And then this is the beaded circle die that I've used. And these stamps fit perfectly inside, as you can see. And then also what you can do is use this as a template. And I used spun sugar, and I just took my little tool here, rubbed it in my spun sugar, and colored in the circles around, and that's what gave me my color. I am using the Tim Holtz Vintage Shabby Papers here, and this actually finishes my card. Happy creating, and thanks for watching. All items can be found on StampingScrapping.com.